Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2017 Ford F-150. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this truck is a leading example of refined versatility in the full-size pickup segment. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, and much more. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.